Hey there everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are exploring Lake Louise. So we are exploring basically two lakes today. So now it's Lake Louise, and then we're gonna go, once we finish visiting this place, we're gonna go to Lake Moraine. So it's basically the same place. So we are gonna use the shuttle service from Lake Louise to Lake Moraine. So now we are exploring Lake Louise. It is so beautiful, and the watercolor is like Turkish blue kind of watercolor, and the way it's situated is like the location is fantastic. So hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy, please don't give a thumbs up in this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's carry on with our exploring. And it does say welcome to Lake Louise. It's Fairbairn. Okay, great. Wow, the view is absolutely mind-blowing. It is. Wow. These are the mountain. Wow, look at this mountain. And that's so background stuff. Yeah, water.
So what you're seeing right now is called Lake Louise. This is the glacier lake. So what this basically means is all the ice from those mountains, they melt in here and make this lake. So it's pretty cool, and the water should be very cold because it's glacier water actually. And the color of the water, it's because of the minerals that came along with the water or the ice. So that's pretty interesting facts.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go,
Like one or two, or
Yeah, yeah, so exactly, like having two people for
Okay, just see how beautiful the place is. It's just mind blowing. I mean, like, especially the water, and there is, see, there is basically many mountain up there. But right now in Canada it's like 1st of July, so it's middle of the year, but still you can see bit of white stuff on top of the mountain. Those are snow, so those still did not melt yet. Okay, so if you like this video so far, and if you see that you get entertained with all the views and this and that, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And as we are coming a lot of, as you said, informative video about Canadian immigration and other stuff, and also most importantly the beautiful places that we go on the new show. So that's the most important thing. All right, so let's carry on with the video, and then we're gonna show everything here and there. Okay, so let's carry on.
Pero 4:30 umalis kami sa house. Sabi ko nga. 4:30.
There are a lot of tourists. Look at those two dogs.
Nakatulog ka? Ikaw, Titi, nakatulog? Titi, sa tulog ka maaga? Mas mataas.
That's the way. I mean, like, this is a Lake Louise. There was a main part that you can get the view, but there is a way to get around the lake and get a different view, different picture, different photos, and people go. There's a bit of hiking over there if people want to hike. It's just absolutely tremendous, mind-blowing. It just absolutely what a God creation, right? If God doesn't exist, this would none of them things that exist. What a creation, man, oh man. Anyway, look at that. Like, it is just absolutely mind-blowing. If you come here once, I guarantee you doesn't want to leave this area. You want to settle down in Alberta, Calgary, and you want to come every single time, hey, to visit. So this is a little bit of going into beer country, so a bit of precaution before you go. So Lake Louise is in Grizzly beer country. So Grizzly beer country is usually wary of people, blah blah blah, all the beer history. But yeah, he just want us to stay safe, that's all. And there you go, man. Look at that, he just around the lake. So there's basically saying no. They're saying that no cycling at all. Things are pretty good here, right, Charlene?
Yeah, it's so pretty.
So what's your experience so far by now?
I am loving it.
She's loving it because it is a place to love, basically. Because I know it's a new place, and every time we go somewhere new it will be fun, but we've never been to a place like this, right?
Never. This
Wow.
is like the most beautiful place
Yeah,
in
man,
Canada. So
it is. We are leaving Lake Louise now, so we're gonna go to Lake Moraine. That is even better and more beautiful than this lake. So we're gonna go to Lake Moraine, and yeah. So this will be the end of this video. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please consider subscribing.